Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the data warning notification here on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. The data warning shows whenever you exceed your monthly limit for data usage. If it shows too early, for example, if you've not exceeded your carrier limit, that means that your system limit may be set too low, and you can change it by going to Settings. Then in Settings, go to Connections, Data Usage, and then go to Data Warning and Limit. And now you can enable or disable Set Data Warning. When this is disabled, then you'll never get a warning. But you can also have it enabled and change the data warning limit. So now it's set to a really low value, but I can, for example, change it to 5 gigabytes. And now, whenever I use 5 gigabytes of mobile data within 1 month, then I will get a warning that I've used too much data. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.